imagine making $845 every single day just by using this simple tool that I'm going to show you. No experience needed, no investment, and the good news is you can do this from anywhere you are in the world. Today I have something very special for you. How to make $28.18 every 10 minutes using Google Translate. Yeah, you heard me, using Google Translate. So if you are ready to make that money in this 2025, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that whenever I drop amazing videos like this, you'll be notified. And don't forget to like this video. So if you're ready like I'm ready, let's get started. So here is how it works. Google Translate is a tool that allows people to translate text into any language, like different languages. But did you know that thousands of businesses, they are looking for people that can help them translate content and get paid? And the thing is, you don't even need to know different languages. This is where Google Translate comes in. It does the job for you and you just submit it and get paid. So I'm going to show you how to use it the right way to make money. Okay, so the first thing, let's talk about where you can get paid by doing this. There are multiple platforms where clients are desperately looking for translation services. And those platforms are the ones you're going to use to make money. So here are the list of websites that you can use. All you need is just go to the platform and sign up. And let me quickly say that I'm going to be dropping the links of this website that I will be calling out in the description below. So just go to the description, click on the link, go to the platform, sign up, start translating and start earning. So the first one is Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com, all you need to do is when you sign up to the platform, you just create a gig. And what gig means is people like you putting up your profile that you're a translator. And when people ask for your services, you get paid. So the next one is upwork.com. Here, just apply for translation jobs. So another one is peopleperhour.com. Here, you get hired for short-term services and projects. Like the other ones I just mentioned, all you need is go to the platform, sign up, and put up a profile. It is as simple as that. So there's freelancer.com. This is a great place to find clients online. As usual, go there, sign up to the platform, and clients will look for you. So Jenko.com is another one, but this one is specifically for translation, right? So if you are good in translation, this one is definitely the platform where you can go and sign up and start grabbing those jobs and making money. So there is a tip I'm going to give you. For you to stand out from the crowd, you need a professional looking profile. Now, if you do not know how to put up your professional looking profile, go to a platform like Upwork or Fiverr.com. Check out the profiles that people have on the platform and use the format to create your own profile. Like put your own touch to it. Don't just copy what someone else has done word to word, just for you to have an idea how you can generate your own profile and put it up there so that it will look professional. Now, when you're putting up your profile, don't forget to use a clear profile picture. Yes, because if somebody wants to hire you, they want to see who they want to give their money to. And another tip is when it comes to your bio, make sure you write compelling bio for your profile, because you can't just put a blank bio there. Your bio can go on the line of, this is what I do. Just narrate, state what you do. You're a professional in translating and all of that. Make it clear, precise on your profile. Okay, so for instance, if you're putting up your bio, you can say, I provide high quality translation services in multiple languages. Now, this line of bio will tell you that anybody who sees it will be interested to hire you because it's high quality and again in different languages. So you are not limited to just one language. Remember, Google Translate will do the job for you, irrespective of the language your clients would want you to translate into. So you can also add that your services is fast, reliable, and you deliver on time. In this case, keyword matters a lot. So in the effort to add keywords like you translate from English to Spanish or from Spanish to German, like things like that, anyone that you're good at. Remember, you are not the one to do this. Google Translate will do it for you. No matter the language you want to translate into, Google Translate is there for you. You don't have to know the language. Trust me. So another keyword you can add is, you can also say you're a fast translator. So with keywords, you've optimized your profile, your bio to be search engine optimized. Yeah, you get what I mean? So it will be easy for clients to find you. So try and embed searchable keywords in your bio. So when you get a client, how can you use Google Translate the right way so that you don't make mistakes? The first step is copy and paste the text into Google Translate. Now, when you've done that, select the language you want to translate that text into. And when it's translated, do not forget to use deep.com to cross-check what you have translated. Another platform that you can use to check what you have translated is reverso.com. So these two platforms, in as much as you don't understand, probably you're translating from English to Spanish, you don't understand Spanish, but with these two websites that I just mentioned to you, you'll be able to know if it's been translated accurately or not. So another thing is for you to be sure that it sounds natural. There are ways you will translate, it will sound robotic. So when you're translating for a client, you want it to sound very natural. So the next step is turn this into Grammarly. Why do you need Grammarly? For you to be sure of spelling errors, if there are any. Grammarly will pick them out. And when you've done all of this, submit your work, deliver the work, and get paid. It is as simple as what I just said. And you might be wondering, how do you go from making just a few bucks to making up to $845, probably 40 cents in a day? Now, here is the secret to making that kind of money a day. Offer multiple language translations. The second is use Google Translate to expand your services. Now, the third tip is when you do fast delivery, charge more. Offer your clients 24 hours delivery, and because you're offering 24 hours delivery, charge them a little bit extra. So the next tip is upsell editing services. Run the translation you have done through Grammarly. Make sure there are no mistakes. So because you always run through Grammarly and there are no mistakes, you can as well offer proofreading services, thereby making extra money. And the last tip is try and build a relationship, because when you do a good job, your clients will definitely want to come back. Not only will they come back, they will refer people to you. When somebody needs such services, whether proofreading, whether translation, they're gonna tell the person the good job you've done for them, and they refer the person to you. There, you're making more money. So you find out that before the end of the day, you would have even made more than $845. Okay, guys, so let me take a minute and say, if you haven't subscribed, please help me to grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell notification as well, and help me share this video. Also help me to like the content. That will help me for the algorithm to suggest this video to more people. Thank you. Now let's move forward. So here is a pro tip that can double your income. You can use ChatGPT to rewrite your translations and make them to sound even more natural. So why would you want to do this? Because many clients wouldn't want any robotic translations. So you might as well use ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, put in a good prompt for ChatGPT to make it sound more natural, and you're going to get a better result. So with this little trick, you find out that your services is going to stand out from the crowd. And here we have it, guys. This is how you can make money by using Google Translate. Easy money. So if you found this video useful, smash that like button, and don't forget to give me a subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until next time, you might want to watch the next video up there. Also, don't forget to comment below what country you're watching this video from. I would like to know where my money makers are tuning in from. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye.